Deploying Uniswap SDK contract is a straightforward process that enables developers to integrate Uniswap functionality into their applications. To begin, ensure you have a basic understanding of smart contracts and the Ethereum blockchain. First, install the necessary dependencies, including Node.js and the Uniswap SDK package. Using npm or yarn, this package provides a set of pre-built smart contracts and tools to interact with the Uniswap protocol. Next, set up a new Ethereum wallet using a library like Ethers.js, which will be used to deploy and interact with the contract. Create a new instance of the wallet and fund it with Ether to cover deployment costs. Then, import the Uniswap SDK contract factory and create a new instance of the contract, specifying the necessary parameters such as the token address and the desired liquidity pool. After that, deploy the contract to the Ethereum blockchain using the wallet instance. This step involves signing and sending a transaction to the network, which may take a few minutes to confirm. Once the contract is deployed, verify it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure it has been correctly set up and is functioning as expected. You can then use the contract address to interact with the Uniswap protocol and perform various actions such as swapping tokens or providing liquidity. Best practices for deploying Uniswap SDK contracts include using a secure wallet and following standard security protocols. Thoroughly testing the contract in a development environment before deploying to mainnet, and monitoring the contract's performance and adjusting parameters as needed. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, developers can successfully deploy Uniswap SDK contracts and leverage the power of the Uniswap protocol in their applications. With this guide, you now have a comprehensive understanding of the process and can proceed with confidence.